Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you on the stop sign why 70% of the people failed in the driving test. And I am at stop sign. Here you can see that. So 3 mistakes people are making in the stop sign. I will show you one by one. First mistake is don't drive on the double lane. See, there is some marking, as you can see, some pieces if your vehicle is on that one, and there will be some noise and instructor can come to know that you are driving on that. So I will be showing you how it looks like. So that is the mistake number one. People are driving on this double lane, so don't drive that. So mistake number 2 is stop before this solid line. As you can see, this is a solid line. Stop before that. None of the car's part, any bonnet or anything should be on that one. It should be behind that. That is the mistake number 2. And then you have to stop for 3 seconds. So firstly you have to look at left side, and then you have to look at the right side, and then again you have to look at for the left side. So even if there is no traffic, you have to stop for 3 seconds, complete stop. Even if it is a little bit slow car moving, you will be failing in the test. So you have to complete stop for 3 seconds, and after that, once you stop, let's say if I turning red, then none of the car part should cross this double lane. If you cross and double lane, you will be immediately fail in the driving test. So that is the 3 mistakes people are making. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more driving test tips and tricks, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. In another video on driving test.